If you are looking for a place that you can get your printer fixed in Udon City, you are looking at the right place. We are Inkman Inkjet Refill Center, located in second floor at Big C department store. We include all kinds of products and services in our shops. If you have any needs in printing stickers, printing documents, fax, multifunction printer, laser or inkjet, we do all provide that. We also sell different printing machines on t-shirts, on ID card, on stickers, on vinyl, anything that's print. You can contact Inkman shop in Udon Thani. We can actually recommend you, and we have English speaker staff standby to give you an advice. So call us and visit us.